Hello everyone, and welcome to another video of Unbox It. In today's video I'm going to unbox Iclever tri-folding wireless keyboard with touchpad. This keyboard works with Bluetooth only and not wireless like using dongles and stuff, just connected to your devices via Bluetooth, and it is compatible with 3 different OS: Windows, iOS and Android. But as you may know, iOS doesn't allow touchpad due to its security systems. So only the keyboard works on iOS devices. But for Windows and Android, this keyboard works perfectly well. So let's go ahead and unbox this keyboard. The keyboard is in a velvet cover with a pretty much good quality. The box includes user manual and warranty card. Also, there is one USB cable that you can use to charge your keyboard. Let's pull this out. The first thing you can see in this keyboard is that the quality which is made of is really good quality. It has a metallic finish and micro USB port for charging the device. And when you open the keyboard, it automatically turns on, and I'm surprised how solid this keyboard is when it's open. Also, it has some stands on the edges of the keyboard for your keyboard to stand well on the desk. So the size is pretty good. I tried typing with it and I didn't have any problem. I paired this keyboard with my tablet here. As you know, we can connect it to 3 different devices. 1, 2 and 3 different Bluetooth devices. If I want to change it to channel 2, which is paired with my tablet, so I think I should wait. Yeah, now it's connected. As you can see, I'm controlling my tablet, which is running Android 6, Xperia tablet Z2. I'm using mousepad or touchpad to unlock it. So touchpad works pretty well. It's responsible. Also, keyboard works with Android devices. Good. Let me try and type something here. Okay. Get started. Continue. Let's ask Google, what is the date today? it's completely responsive. There is no problem with typing. Also, we can scroll down by using 2 fingers while browsing on the tablet. It works perfectly well. I bought this keyboard on Amazon with roughly $50, 50 American dollars, and I would say that I prefer this keyboard to use rather than other keyboards available on the market. It's not small at all. All the keys are perfectly designed, and you can type with it pretty well, and it's so light, and you won't feel any discomfort with this keyboard. And also the battery life is more than a month, depends on the way you use the keyboard, but I'm sure that I would use the keyboard instead of my laptop keyboard and use it with my tablet wherever I go, because it's quite handy and responsive. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, and if you want to purchase this keyboard, go ahead and press the link in the description below. See you later.